Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube Creator Academy once more. So this particular episode, we're going to be covering a hack how we leverage one of our YouTube shorts with over 2 million views to help us get over 100k long form video views. So this concept is usually applicable or best for people who do how-to videos, particularly for business consultants or technology niche person. So it's perfect for each and every one of you, particularly whereby you have content that could expire, or maybe if your how-to video could change from what it used to be before. So maybe you could say how to do this 2025, but if you could recall at 2024, it was different from what it is currently in 2025. Okay, so this is actually one of the best ways for you to leverage on best performing keywords on your YouTube channel. So we made a video that talks about how to deactivate your Facebook account. So this was the initial keyword we used. And by the way, I think you should also check out the description section to teach you how we discovered these amazing keywords that we could focus some of our content creation on in order to drive more traffic for our YouTube channel or more views per se on our YouTube channel. So kindly visit the description section of this video to access that particular content to teach you how to work smart on YouTube. So don't forget, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content, especially if you're a YouTuber or a content creator or a business owner that wants to leverage on YouTube to succeed online. So do well to subscribe and like this video. So like I said, we made a video that talked about how to deactivate your Facebook account. And as at the time when we made this video, everything was working well. Not until 2024, some point, the process changed on Facebook app. So we had to update that video. And some persons have already started complaining that this process doesn't work, so it was necessary for us to update it. So what we did was to update the video and to make it the current one at that moment. So after we did this, definitely we use the SEO strategies to help our videos rank properly on search. So I'm also going to attach a video that teaches you how to upload your YouTube videos with proper SEO. So one thing we did that also helped our video was that we also collected the updated video link, the YouTube video link of the updated content on that particular keyword, and we pinned it as a comment on our YouTube short that had over 2 million views. So that also helped to drag traffic to that particular updated video. And before we knew what was happening, this video picked up. And take note, we were very, very smart to ensure that that video at that time was a long form video. Okay, don't forget the first one we did with over 2 million views was a YouTube short. This was actually one way we leverage a best performing content to create another one that would also do well. So key things to note is that you want to make sure, so the difference was that we basically added 2024, which was different from the previous one, which had no year or timing. So after we did all the SEO thing we wanted to do on that particular video, the next thing we did was to copy the link of the updated content and pin it in the old content that talked about how to deactivate your Facebook account. So this is one thing you want to take note of, so that once you have the opportunity to leverage on this, you will grab this. So to summarize everything we've said in this particular episode, it means that shorts are also very important. You could also use it to grow your YouTube views and also grow your subscribers. And you could also leverage on it to grow other long form videos by pinning the video link of the long form video in the comment section of your YouTube short. So you could also take advantage of the related content that YouTube release, whereby you could actually link a long form video to a YouTube short. So this is usually perfect for news companies or news channels. Okay, so we're going to make a video later how to take advantage of the related video feature while uploading a YouTube shorts. Okay, so stay tuned. Feel free to drop your comment in the description section and access other videos, or you access our complete playlist that talks about the YouTube Creator Academy specifically for business owners, consultants, and experts. Okay, and it's still open for every other creator out there. You could actually learn the secrets we use as consultants, as businesses, or as companies to grow a community on YouTube. So this is something for everyone. So don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and kindly visit the description section of this video. You're going to get access to all the resources I've mentioned and even more. See you guys in the next video. It was wonderful having you here, and cheers. Feel free to drop your comments